What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. And this is day 4 in what I would normally say is beautiful Ocean City, but Mother Nature was not having it today. Today was almost a wash. Rained all night, all morning. We got a little bit of a break. We thought we were going to go out. It started raining again. And now it's like late in the afternoon. And I apologize. I told you in yesterday's video I was going to go and shoot at the inlet. But we only made it as far as the convention center, so you're gonna get another convention center shoot video today. I'm all out of breath. I literally ran back here just to do the intro. You can see by the weather behind me, it's been a bad day. It's just been overcast and horrible all day. So, as promised, in video 4, we're gonna give away another Bangin Gears fleece like the one I'm wearing. It's got the embroidered Bangin Gears logo right here. It says Bangin Gears Garage across the neckline in the back, also embroidered. To be eligible to win the fleece or any of the gear we're giving away in the previous videos, you still have time. Make sure you are subscribed to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on those videos, and each time that puts you in the running to win the swag we're giving away in that video. This will be the second fleece, and we're going to be giving away 2 hats as well. All the winners will be announced in the video I'm putting out, I believe it's Friday, May 26th. So make sure you check back on YouTube and watch that video. That's why you need to be subscribed. Other than that, if you haven't already, make sure you follow us on Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. This way you never miss a video, you keep track of what we're doing. All the pictures you guys are taking while you're down here, please share them on the group. It's open to the public. Anything goes as long as it's automotive related. Hope you had a great weekend here in beautiful Ocean City at Cruisin Ocean City. And drive home safe. And look for that video next week. We'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.